Fraud or misrepresentation in employment occurs when employers deliberately or intentionally make false statements to seduce current employees or job candidates into accepting their job offer. Promissory estoppel is a legal doctrine that says employers may be liable for broken promises that result in financial harm because an employee or candidate reasonably relied on a promise and acted or failed to act in a way that caused them economic harm because of that promise. For example, a company decides to close one of its plant's locations in 1 year, but in the meantime needs to hire a manager to run the operation. Suppose a candidate asks about the company's future during the recruiting process, and the company tells the candidate that the plant will be expanded in the future, withholding its intention to close the plant. In that case, the company is fraudulently misrepresenting the facts about the position. Employer fraud and misrepresentation can be spoken or written. It may arise when an employer makes a false representation concerning job security, salary, potential bonuses, promotions, health risks, or other aspects about employment. When an employee files a claim based on employment fraud, generally they must prove 4 elements. 1, the employer made a misrepresentation of a material fact regarding the terms of the employment position, such as the compensation the employee should receive or the type of work to be performed. 2, the employer intentionally made the misrepresentation in an attempt to deceive the employee. 3, the employee had reason to rely on the statement. 4, the employee suffered harm as a result of believing the misrepresentation. Employers have an obligation to fulfill their promises and remain honest with employees. When that does not happen and an employee is harmed, they can file a claim for damages or financial compensation.